Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can watch Squid Game season 3 for free. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So for that, there are some options that you can try. So first thing, there are many sites where you will be able to watch Squid Game season 1 or 2, but season 3 has recently been aired since July. So the first option is, as you can see over here, when we go to the just watch, and these are the options. They will have the season 3, but some of them will require you to get subscription even this website. So first you can go is DailyMotion. DailyMotion will have the Squid Game season 3 episodes in. So what you have to do is, as soon as the one episode has been aired officially on Netflix, their airing time, the next day you're gonna search it up because it might be removed if you wait longer. So you have to follow up kind of immediately. You can also watch it on Bilibili. You will be able to find episodes on Bilibili and DailyMotion, and also go try DramaCool, where you will be able to get the episodes. Next thing you can do is you can also go to YouTube and you can search for Squid Game season 3 episodes in English subtitles. When you do that, you will be able to find many accounts who might have uploaded the full episode itself. If you get lucky enough, you might be able to find in a good quality, but I would recommend you to either go to Dailymotion or Bilibili to find the episode of it in high quality. That's what you can do. Otherwise, you have no other option to buy the Netflix subscription, so you have to get that to get the episodes watching. That's it. Hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.